Okay, let's go see what's going on at Cat's Cradle today. Coming in from our main gate. And wind around with these stepping stones. We have a couple of noisy kitties here. Hello, Flavia. I know. You're hungry, right? Hello, Sushi. Good morning. Yeah. Cat town. Hey! Powder. Bumble. And looks like Milo and Pure. And very shaved down. Yeah, shaved down Molly. Just heard some noises. And kitties are all over the place. We've got Shadow back there with a castle. And looks like Nathan here up front. So here are our little rooms where they can find shelter and sleep at night. And then this is going to be a new Kitty Palace Hotel. We're going to build that out. Coming around further. Hello, Bumble. We have our control room where we do our live streams. Not too exciting. Go down a little further, we have our welcome room. And I don't know if anybody's in here this morning. Let's see. No, nobody's here. Kelsey was in there yesterday. And then we moved the tiki hut out here. So we have room for another bench. And this is our Guardian Angel paver path, where we recognize all of our guardian angels that contribute a small amount every month. Okay, looks like Terry's here, so I'm going to move along. Hello, Mishka. Powder. Cats are starting to show up. Alright. We get on the bridges primarily by going up this ramp here to the water tower, and then they come across this bridge, and that gives them access to all the other bridges that go in both directions. Let's see who's in this cage here. Well, it looks like there are two ferrets. Yeah, hi guys. Hey babies. Good morning. And they have a new way to travel over to their habitat. That's this big pipe. Over here, guys. Oh, somebody's coming. Here we go. Yeah, nice meat pie. That's Coco and Zipper. So this is our tunnel town. And all these tunnels they can play with. And then we have another pipe going from the upper story. Comes over to the train depot. And the train depot is where our little, I don't know if you can see them. This is where our variegated squirrels live. Jumping around here, waiting for me to refresh their food. Alright. Leaving the train depot, we see Shortcake. She's always in all of our videos. She's having breakfast. Across the way, we have a restroom, and it also serves as our hospice room. And we have cats that are either recovering from being sick or at their end of life. That's where we put them, in the hospice room. Hospice room overlooks Lake Park, where we have probably a couple hundred koi. I see one there that's very, very pregnant. What's going to happen to her? Leaving Lake Park, across the way we have our birds, starting with the flight cage. It's about 20 feet long, about 10 feet wide, and we have a whole bunch of parakeets in here. I don't know if you can see them, but we've got about 20 of them flying around. And then this interior cage holds a couple of finches. Cage next door, partition from the other cage, we find our pigeons. Hi guys, I'll be right with you. And then we come over to Shantytown, which is where we have our Dutch rabbits. You see them flying around here a little bit. Right now we don't have any chickens in our chicken coop, but we will soon. In fact, we'll have some chickens in here by next week. It's a great coop. It's a tremendous area for chickens, with a stream running through it, which goes down into the Lake Park Lake. All right, gnawing the path. We're headed out to Treehouse Village, and our newest addition, Casper Park. Coming through here, we come across our gift store, where we make things for our followers and people that buy online. Finally getting this going again. I've been so busy with our new Casper Park, I really haven't had time to get in here and make some t-shirts and caps and this and that. But we're going to start doing that probably as early as this week. Coming down here a little further behind the shop, we have Treehouse Village, and go in here and see if anybody's in Treehouse Village. Hi baby. We have Shimmer, and I see Oreo and Paws. They're all here. Solo. It's Solo and Oreo and Paws over there. This one little house isn't quite finished, but we'll get to that soon. These are our new trees that we planted a couple weeks ago. They seem to be doing pretty well. And we're going to travel through here to get to the Casper Park area. So on the earlier part of the video, I forgot to mention Pokey's Patio. Pokey's Patio is where we bring people that have signed up with Airbnb, or they're just visitors that we know, maybe guardian angels. We come through here, and Pokey's Patio is a little messy right now, but this is where we can sit around and swap cat stories and watch the cats play with toys that are in that inner ring and climb up the rope pole. So I want to be sure you saw, hey baby, it's Ginny, Pokey's Patio. And then one last thing, might as well show you this, even though it's going to be refabbed very soon. Rehabbed, I should say. We come around this way, back of Lake Park, and the chicken house. And we'll see this underutilized area that we're going to fix up for future kitties. Going to add some sod in here and clean it up. And this is our Moonlander Village. Pretty cool, huh? So it's separate from Pokey's Patio, but we'll have a little door there that we can let kittens come up to Pokey's Patio so people can play with them. So I wanted just to see this, and usually Terry's calling cats in the background. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you continue to support Cat's Cradle. Bye bye.